Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how to use hashtags on Instagram. First of all, we will learn what are the hashtags. So hashtags are so important on Instagram. It helps us to expand our audience and to get more reach. Similarly, when you use a hashtag, your post will be appear on the page of that hashtag. When you use a hashtag on your story will be appeared on all of the stories relevant to that hashtag. So this is a very good way to increase your Instagram reach. So now we will learn that how to post hashtags on your Instagram post and stories. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram. After opening the Instagram, you just have to click on the plus icon at the bottom. Here you can select any of the video or photo which you want to post. Suppose if I want to post this photo, after selecting the photo, I have to click on the arrow. Then I have to click on next. And here you can see the option of caption. If you want to write the caption, you can write. Otherwise, you just have to add the hashtag. For example, I am adding hashtags of art. As you guys can see that this hashtag of art has more than 9 million posts. You can maximum add 30 hashtags to your Instagram post. Okay, I have added 3 hashtags. Then I have to click on the take option. After that, my photo will be posted. And then this photo will also be posted on that hashtag page which I have used. Okay, so guys, now we will learn how to use hashtags on your Instagram story. So first of all, you have to open up your story. Then you have to select the photo, or you have to make the story which you want to post. For example, I am making a story of black background. Then if I have to add the hashtag, I just have to click on the text. Here I just have to select the hashtag and I have to add the hashtag. For example, I am adding art. Here you can see the all of the hashtags relevant to art has been appeared. You can select any of the hashtag according to your preference. For example, I am adding art and then I am adding artwork. Okay, so guys, this was the way to add your hashtags to your Instagram story. After posting your story with these hashtags, your story will also be posted on these Instagram hashtags pages. Also, this helps you a lot to grow your audience. Okay, so guys, this brings me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.